Okay, so finally done soldering up the Teeces logic display system. So I'll go ahead and give it a power up on a 6-volt supply. And we got text scrolling successfully on the front logic display and rear logic display in the back. Hold on. And then we got our front PSI doing blue and red. We got our rear PSI. It's hard to see with this camera. We got it doing green and yellow, although it's kind of more amber. Still got to figure out how to get that maximum brightness out there. Otherwise, I'm going to have to lower the resistance of these controllers to make them penetrate my diffusion material. Anyway, so I brought my little Bandai R2 figure out just to show you where everything's going. So if you're not familiar with astromech terminology, so we got our rear logic display here, and this I've got it to work in display text and all sorts of stuff. So the rear logic display on R2, or any domed astromech for that matter, is this little area where I can't do it right here. And then the rear PSI right here, the one showing green right now, it's going to be this light right here. And then we got top and front logic displays, so that's the top and the bottom front logic displays, which is here. Then we got our red and green PSI indicator, which is right underneath R2, kind of like the little mouth area, if you would. And that's what this whole lighting setup is going to be. And everything looks fine right now, no dead LEDs. So just got to figure out how to get these a little bit more showy. Either that or find out a way to lower the resistance without harming the LED driver, which I think I got about half of its current limit left to go. So I could probably put a 5K in there instead of a 10K resistor. It'd probably get them shining a lot brighter. I'll have to go through the data sheet of the Maxim chip one more time to be absolutely sure that I can go down that far without harming anybody. But right now, if I were to directly short an LED pad, it draws 20 amps and 20 milliamps, and 40 milliamps is its maximum current draw per pin. So I think it's fairly safe to bring it down to just a little over half of the resistance that I have right now, if I don't have any luck with diffusion material differences. Anyway, that's my update. I mean, I'm done with this. All I need to do is mount it to the dome. A lot of folks use screws for this. Obviously, there's little mounting places back there to mount to the inside of the dome. I'll probably use some RTV so it'll be easy to remove. And yeah, that's it.